Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. My name is Precious. Hi guys, hello. Oh my god, I can't believe that I am still in the euphoria of my birthday, blah 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 shenanigans. But yeah, yesterday was my birthday and I don't know, I'm still I still feel like I'm still in the spirit of celebrating the birthday, if you know what I mean. And in my on my story on IG, I kind of mentioned something there, and I said, I think that the more we celebrate our birthdays, the older we become. Because tell me why I was not even freaked yesterday, and the birthday is over. Anyways, it is what it is. I'm driving home now. We just closed from work. I'm rushing home to go and make something to eat. It's past 5, and yeah, opening up this vlog, and I'll catch you in the next clip. Bye. Stay there. Don't follow me. Hi guys, it's been a minute. Anyways, happy weekend. Today is Saturday, and I just wanted to just come chat with you guys. Something that is kind of sitting in my heart. But then, whilst chatting, I'll be having my cup of, I don't know what to call this now. Is it parfait? Is it ice cream? Is it Greek yogurt? Whatever, you know the mixture already. So yeah, 3 days ago was my birthday, and I just thought to drop something here. I don't know. Okay, I will drop it after this video. And in that video, during my bed, on the day of my birthday, I was saying something and I said, as we celebrate our birthdays, or rather, birthdays have a way of making us matured. And over the years, I have always, want to go to the photo booth, or rather to the photo studio, to have some pictures for my birthday. And even if I do not do it, I always like to upload so many pictures, appreciate people who gave me gifts, and yada yada yada. But this year, right from the beginning of this year, I'd known that I would not celebrate my birthday in a loud way. I also told my husband, I said, you see, this birthday, I want it to be chill, calm, collected. And it came on the 25th of March. I didn't post any picture. I just put like a music, yada yada, soft background music. And that was it. Many people did not even know. Many people did not wish me happy birthday. I'm not mad at them. But it just goes to say that there's a way we get matured over time. Trust me. And yeah, after like 2 days, I uploaded another picture, thanking people that remembered. Aside from family, of course, they would not forget. And all of them kind of flooded my pictures. Oh, when did you celebrate your birthday? Is this your birthday? Oh, I'm sorry, I know you'll be angry with me. Yeah. Take it easy. I'm not angry with anybody. Like, I don't expect many people to know it's my birthday when we don't live together. We are not that close, even if we are close. But yeah, it's fine. So that goes to say that sometimes we just need to be cool, calm, collected, chilled, and just keep it on the low. So this year was that year. But yeah, that's it. That's it though. I just wanted to be chill, calm, collected this year. This still tastes like perfume. So this is what I'm going to be having for lunch. And I would have green tea for dinner. I don't think I'll have anything again today. So we close it up for today. So yeah. By the way, I forgot to mention, my dad is celebrating me tomorrow. So I'm going to my family house tomorrow because he said he's going to be taking me out. So yeah, whisper daddy's girl in the comment section. That's who I am. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm finally home to celebrate my birthday with my family, and my dad has given us his card to go get what I want. I told you guys that I'm Miss Daddy's girl. Hey, so I'm off now with my sister to go get what we are going to get for this birthday, and yeah, I'll carry you guys along. Let's go. When you say hi.
Hi.
I'm telling you. Got one.
That place is GSN Village.
That is GSN. And they have changed them.
Girl. Say hi.
Hi. Sing. Mom, I can't stop singing.
Happy birthday.
Birthday to you.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, Nonye. May the good Lord bless you.
Amen. So guys, I was just in the office when my baby's teacher called me that my baby is not feeling too well. The way I zoomed out from the office, I'm at his school now. I've picked him up. We are going home. Like, I don't know, children. It was quite fine this morning before we left the house, and I'm really surprised that they said it's running a little bit of temperature. Well, yes. So, I'm going home right now. Kids and children. But yeah. So, do you want to say hi? See his tiny little feet. Say hi.
The next day.
Hi guys, good morning. So today's Friday, Good Friday, and I'm going to have my facials done. I don't know, for some time, for some reason, I don't know. My face is just, look at this one now. My face is just a bit rough, so I'm going to have the facials done like right now. Time is to 8, and I want to get there on time so that I can come back early. Hey, boom, boom. Ciao.
Up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, revealing.
Hello. Anyways, guys, I'm back from my facials and I think it's a bit better. I don't feel that roughness as much again. But yeah, I'm here to open one of my birthday gifts. I'm here to open one of my birthday gifts that my friend gifted me all the way from Canada. So she gifted me this, and actually I wanted to kind of dedicate one whole video for my birthday gift, but I really cannot wait because it's coming in pieces. Some are monetary gifts, some are skincare, like my sister. The skincare is supposed to be here today, but they delayed in delivery, and really I can't wait. Some people gave me chocolates. I've distributed it, I shared it, I took some. So, okay, I think I showed you the one that my girl got for me, slippers and a body spray, a body mist. So yeah, let's unbox this one because I'm a perfume freak and I can't wait. I just want to unbox this. So this perfume is Queen of Roses. Trust me, anytime I get perfumes, first of all, I want to go and see the review on TikTok, even though I don't really believe TikTok as much. But yeah, I saw some review about this one and I heard that the review I got was, oh, this thing is too rosy, I don't like it, it's too rosy. See, bring it on. I am a queen of layering. I'm gonna layer it and smash it. That's my job. So let's just quickly unbox this and see what it looks like. I love the scent. Let's do this together. Latafa and packaging, eh? Oh. How fun. Yeah. So these are samples, I would say, but this is the main perfume. And why is it small now? But when you're looking, it's looking as if it's so big. Why is it small? Away. It's detachable. It has a nice atomizer. Wow. Let me just allow it to cool down a bit, then. But I'm perceiving strawberry, just a little bit of vanilla. Which one is? Oh, what's this now? No, I cannot pronounce this, please. I don't like it. Okay, we'll manage it like that, guys. I want to bring this vlog to a close. So which of the frames do you like? Please engage, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.